LC, PLT, copy.
LC Peg, Peg is go for launch.
PLT, LC is go for launch. PLT confirm.
LC, PLT, PLT confirms go for launch.
Drop on my mark. 3, 2,
1.
Drop.
Go for release.
Pegasus is away.
And drop. Pegasus is away.
LC, PLT.
Ignition of the Pegasus rocket with Cygnus, helping hurricane forecasters understand and predict the intensity of hurricanes.
Fin actuator system is working properly to control the flight of the vehicle during stage 1. Power buses remain nominal, approximately 30 seconds
LC,
into
this is
flight.
RCO. First motion time of 13:37:21.
Vehicle is now past max Q.
866.
Attitude remains
That's
nominal.
13:37:21
30 seconds until stage 1 burnout.
866.
Attitude remains nominal. Power buses remain strong.
All data coming back.
Approximately 10 seconds until stage 1 burnout.
All data coming back looks good. Getting ready for the first stage to burn out. Right on time.
Stage 1 is burned out. Attitude remains nominal.